Today I want to show you an option you can have on the PORTACENTER 250. This option is called pressure reduction in process and consists and allows you to reduce the pressure of the fixture during the machining, for example, on your finishing station, in case you have a reamer and you need to obtain a very tight roundness and cylindricity of the hole. For example, here we can see more than 800 kilograms of clamping force, so we are clamping with full power. Then we can imagine to machine our part with the full stroke. But in the finishing station, which we are going now, before the reamer will start to machine our hole, you see how we reduce about half of the pressure in order to obtain the roundness and cylindricity that is needed, for example, in a braking system like in a master pump cylinder. So this option is called pressure reduction in process and is available on the PORTACENTER 250.